Hello everyone. We studied the question of MCQ and very short answer type question, and then next video is about the short answer type question. Now we will discuss the long answer type questions. So the first question is the diagram. We studied this diagram, and this shows an experiment in these gases. In which gases hydrogen and carbon dioxide are placed in two jars. There are two jars, jar one in which the hydrogen is present, and the jar B is carbon dioxide is present. Are shown in the figure. If the lid separating, this is the lid. This is separate the two jars. Two jars be removed. If we can remove this lid, what will the constituent in the gas jar A after few minutes? कुछ time बाद A jar, what is the constituent of A jar in which only the hydrogen is present before removing the lid? There is options: carbon dioxide only, hydrogen only, carbon dioxide only, hydrogen only, and mixture of carbon dioxide and hydrogen. So the answer is the gas jar A will contain both the gases carbon dioxide and hydrogen. Actually, the molecules of gas present in one jar will move into the empty spaces present in the other jar and vice versa. That means if we study this, the particles of the both the gases are far away, and when we remove this lid, the the particles of both the gases uh, the particles of both the gases move on the other side, like hydrogen molecules move this side and carbon dioxide move that upper side, and they mix together. So we can say that in the jar A there is mixture of hydrogen of carbon and carbon dioxide and hydrogen. So correct answer is C. Now, second question is the given graph show the heating curve for a pure substance. There is a pure substance, and this graph show about the heating curve. The temperature rises with the time as substance is heated. Uh, Graph is about the temperature and time graph of the substance. So the answer now there is question: what is the physical state of substance at the point A, B, C, and D? We have to tell about the temperature physical state of the substances at point A, B, C, and D. There is A, B, C, and D. So the answer is A answer. Uh, at point A, the substance in the solid state. A the substances in the solid state. That means there is a point. This is the A point, and the point shows that there is a temperature of about 8 here. So the substance in the solid state. Next question is, what is the melting point of the substance? Uh, what is the melting point of substance? The substance has sorry. Okay, we complete the first part. At a B point, the substance has started melting. So the at the B point, the substance at started melting, and the answer is melting. It exists in both liquid and solid state. So this is at A, it is solid. At B, this is only started to melt, solid and liquid both. And at the C point, the substance is in liquid state. This changed here. So here is in the liquid state, and the D is the substance started boiling. It exists in both liquid and gaseous state. Here D at the point D, the substance started boiling. So the liquid and gas. This is the study. So question B is, what is the melting point of the substance? Now answer is, the melting point of the substance is 15 degrees Celsius. If we study the graph, so we can say that 15 degrees is the melting point, and the boiling point is 110 degrees Celsius. The question is, what is the boiling point? So what melting point? Melting point start at 15 degrees Celsius, and the boiling point is the substance started at the substance started boiling at the point D, which is 110 degree. If we draw this like this, so we can say that this is boiling point is 110 degree. D question is what happened to the temperature while the substance is changing the state. So answer is the temperature remained the same during the change of state. When a substance changes its state, the temperature remains constant. E question, the substance is not water. How can you judge from the graph? How can we judge this that water, the substance is not water? We can say that the water has a boiling point of 100 degrees Celsius, but the boiling point of that substance is 100 degrees Celsius. So we can say the substance had been water. If the substance had been water, its melting point should have 0 degrees Celsius and the boiling point is 15 degrees Celsius. It is therefore not water. Next question is, in severe cold weather, a family burned wood in the room during the night by keeping the windows closed. After some time, they felt suffocated. They immediately opened the window and got relief. What did actually happen? So the answer is when wood burns, the carbon present in the oxidized. The carbon present in the wood is oxidized to carbon dioxide, which is non-poisonous. But when the windows are closed, the air or oxygen cannot enter the room because windows are closed and the air cannot move in the room. In the complete supply, in the incomplete supply of oxygen, carbon is oxidized to carbon monoxide, which is highly poisonous. So the carbon monoxide is highly poisonous. Highly poisonous. It causes suffocation in a closed room. On the opening the window, the poisonous gas slowly diffused out the room and fresh air come inside. That is how the poisonous effect of carbon monoxide gas was neutralized and the family not got relief. Next question is, comment upon the following rigidity. That means rigidity, compressibility, fluidity, filling a gas container, shape, kinetic energy and density. Means we simply write the definition of this. We have to write the definition of all these terms. So first is rigidity. It is a propensity of a substance to continue to remain its shape when treated with an external force. Second is compressibility. It is an attribute of particle to contract in its intermolecular spaces when exposed to an external force, thereby escalating its density. Third is fluidity. It is the ability of a substance to flow or move about the freely. So we can say uh, fluids are liquid and gases. Gases and liquid are in the category of fluids. Fourth is filling the gas container. The particle in a container take its shape. They randomly vibrate in all the directions. Shape. The definition of this shape. It is the definition structure of an object. Uh, Structure of an object within an external boundary. We can say that this is the boundary of a is square. So we can say that this is the shape, particular shape. What is kinetic energy? Motion allow particle to possess energy, which is referred to kinetic energy. The increase order of kinetic energy possessed by various state of matter like solid, liquid, and gas. Gas particles has more kinetic energy than the liquid. Somehow low kinetic energy, and solids have less, very low kinetic energy among the particles. Mathematically, if we express the kinetic energy, then the formula is kinetic energy is half mv square, where m is mass and v is velocity, mass of particles and velocity of particles. Now the last is density. It is a mass of unit volume of a substance. It is expressed as d by mv. That means d density is equals to mass upon